Hi all, welcome back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this video we are going to discuss a new different formula that is called filter. So let's start, guys. Before starting, guys, I want to tell you this formula is new in MS Excel 365 and it's very powerful and dynamic also. Basically, it will get spill as the normal phenomena of this MS Excel 365. We can use this formula in a multiple way and we can get our results in a very dynamically and we can use very powerfully to save our time. So let's start, guys. As we are daily discussing, first we'll see the description of this formula. What it says, the description of this formula is very simple, as its name suggests: filter a range or array. That's it. Then we'll see the syntax of this formula. Syntax of this formula is also very clear, as in a normal filter we used to see, like we will apply filter and then we'll filter out based on the columns, but what it needs to be selected and all. So the syntax of this formula is array, then we'll give a particular condition, and if it is empty or the condition is not met, then we'll put if empty, like that. So we'll start. We'll see the practical uses of this formula. So in front of you, this is the ID, names, department, semester, and CGPA. This is the results of a particular school or organization. In a normal filter, what we used to do, we just go to home tab and go here, and we used to apply here. Control Shift L is the shortcut key. I also applied this Control Shift L shortcut key, and if I want to get the filtered result based on particular thing, for example, I want the ID of 1155 and press enter. I want to see the results of this particular person. I can get it. But on the other way around, if I want to apply this formula like this, I one second, I can simply put this formula like that: filter array, comma, ID that includes 115, and simply I can press enter. So this is very like basic uses of this formula, like in and this is spilling result. Like if I'm giving a thing or formula here, it is getting spilled based on the our requirement. So basically my requirement is to get the results from B5 to F14, and my results are getting spilled accordingly. On the other way, if I want to get the result of 1122 and press enter, so same result I'm getting here, and I am putting what to say, double ID here, and I'm changing my result here double five. Then also my results are coming correctly based on the parameters that I have given. So this is the basic uses of this formula. And if I'm putting no results, no, I'm putting no directly, and the condition that I'm giving here 5 6, I'm getting no directly. Like basically it will work like that. Now jumping to the next usage, uh, and deleting this. So basically in this second point, what I want to say, I want to get the filter based on these two conditions, where the department should be CSE and the CGPA should be greater than 3.77. How can I put this formula? Before going to this end operations, I want to tell you guys, in Excel there is a two function. One is star. Star means and plus means or. So basically, if we want to apply the both condition, then in that scenario we supposed to put the sign as star, and on the other side we should put plus symbol. Now we'll try to put this formula. Go to the filter, go to the data set. We want all the cells. Press comma. Now the first point was we want the data set should be equal to CSE. I'm just keeping the thing in a bracket so that I can apply the star mark and bracket start. And the next scenario, I want to get the CGPA that is greater than 3.77. Then I need to select the dataset days greater than equal to C6 and bracket close. And if the no results is there, then I can put simply no, bracket close and press enter. See, I am getting the results in that manner. So this is about this end function. If I want to get the results less than also, I can simply flip the signal and press enter like that. So this was all about this end function, and now we are moving to the next usage of this formula, that is called OR. Like we are trying to blend this formula with the OR function. So this is very similar to the previous example that we had seen, where we were putting the star symbol over here. Now in this example, we supposed to add get the results on an OR basis. Basically, the department can be either CSE or the CGPA that is greater than or less than is equal to is 3.77. Instead of star symbol, we can simply press plus and press enter, and we can get our results easily, and we can change the format. So simply we have learned these two things. Now jumping to the next uses of this formula, if we want to blend this formula with two more functions. For example, in front of you, we want to get the results based on our two departments like triple E and CSE. Basically, either the department should be CSE or triple E, and the CGPA should be greater than or less than whatever it is. So we'll try to see this formula. In the first set, I want to see the CGPA should be greater than 3.77, and the department can be either triple E or CSE. I can put this formula in front of you also, like, because this is time constant and no problem. Filter formula, I can go here to the data set. I can simply give, then bracket start. My CGPA should be greater than equal to 3.77. I'm putting simply. Along with that, I'm giving two bracket here. In the two bracket, what I'm giving, this department can be is equal to CSE bracket close, sorry, inverted comma close and bracket close for the symbol, and press star. And in the same data set, I'm just giving the department should be triple E bracket close, inverted comma close, bracket close for this function, and press enter. So my results is in that manner only. Basically, I'm getting the triple E here, and the CGPA I'm getting more than 3.77 also. Now jumping to the next practical uses of this formula, that is duplicate. Here we need to apply our brain like very, what to say, dynamically, or I would say basically, here what I have applied, I have given the filter formula like that only, where I want to get the results where the results are duplicate. How we can put this formula? Basically, I have taken the help of count if formula. Basically, what count if formula used to do, count if formula used to do the count of a particular character based on a given conditions. So what it is trying to do, it is trying to do this B5 to B16 and is the criteria, and B5 to B16 is the condition. It will try to match whether these both conditions are satisfying or not. If these are satisfying and that condition is greater than 1, then only it will give the results. Basically, those will be our duplicate value. If things that is coming twice, it will give the results as 2, and the condition is greater than 1. In that manner only I have applied this formula. The filter plus count ifs, I am getting the results as duplicate. Basically, in this cell we are having two duplicates here, these two, and what to say, these two. So these were the duplicate thing. In the same manner, if we want to get the results that are non-duplicate, how I can put this formula? I can simply give the range, and I can blend this formula with the star symbol, and I can give this non equal to sign. In Excel there are multiple sign like greater than, less than, not equal to, like that. So here I have given like not equal to blank, and wherever it finds blank, it will not consider that particular range, and it will throw the results. Now jumping to the next thing, if we want to make this table as dynamic, in our first example only we had seen like how we can use this formula. I can simply use unique formula here, press enter. I'm not using that. 1122 I'm putting here. I want to get the results of the results based on an ID. Can filter it out, comma. I can give the ID equal to, and press enter. If I'm changing ID here, I'm getting my results based on dynamically. I can change this desired text also based on my requirement, and dynamically I can use this text. Now jumping to the calculation part also, this is my favorite. uh, for example, you want to club or get the sum of this particular CGPA based on our department and all. What I can do, I can put this formula filter. Till then, I will be getting the results of this CGPA. Will show you filter, filter, comma, equal to this. I'm getting this. But if suppose I want to get the CGPA of this CSE department, simply in front of this formula, I can blend this with some formula and press enter. I'm getting the same result. On the other way around, if I want to get the average of this particular thing, I can simply blend this formula with average, press enter. If I want to see the minimum out of this thing, I can blend with this minimum. If I want to see the maximum, I can get maximum also. So this was this usage of this. So I think the video is getting very lengthy, so I'm dropping now. So hope you like the session, guys. Thanks for watching, and we can use this formula in a very dynamic and very analytical way. There are more thousands of practical uses of this formula. So hope you like the session, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share, and subscribe, and spread this video across your friends and all. Thank you.